Hi friends, today we will be discussing about how to install Kali Linux and Windows subsystem. So first of all, we need to create a one subsystem. So first we create a one subsystem. Next install Kali Linux. Next again configure Kali Linux and Windows subsystem. Next open Kali Linux as a Windows subsystem. So in this video we'll create Windows subsystem. So first of all, open control panel. Just open control panel. So here open programs. Just click on turn off Windows feature on or off. In this we are going to search for the Windows subsystem for Linux. Just click on it and just OK. Once OK, then go to reboot your system. Again, this part, Windows subsystem part, is completed. So next part is install Kali Linux on Windows. So first of all, open Office Store. Just open Microsoft Store and search button, click Kali Linux. So here we need to install this Kali Linux. Just install on it. Once completed, just click on launch. It takes several times. So once launch completed, a set of username and password. So second part is completed. In third part, configure Kali Linux on Windows subsystem. So first, just follow my instructions. So first of all, change the user to root. So we need to type sudo su, click enter. So it's asking password. Just enter the password. Okay, let's go back to root. Again we install wget first. So just type apt get install wget. Once done process, so it's already installed. So then again back to xfc force. So again install wget xrdp Kali Linux.sh file. So it takes several time. So once completed this process, next again we go to ss.xforce. Just copy it, again paste it. So wait several times, it's taken. Just some packages are installed. It's take to 5 to 10 minutes. Complete this process. Just type this command. So note down this port number. Again go to search box, search remote desktop connection. This select remote desktop connection. Just type 127.0.0.1. Again type port number 3390. Once again, then just connect. Just click on connect. So just establishing connection. Okay. Yes. Just enter username when you are in creating in Kali Linux install first. Then again click password. Then OK. Click on OK. Just wait several times. It shows. It takes some time. So wait. Loading enter files, applications. Windows 8. Cancel. Just minimize this. So Windows subsystem is just I'm installing Kali Linux on Windows subsystem. So just maximize it. So just unpin this connection box. Just open terminal in terminal eliminator. So it's opening. So just type ls command, ls-l. So just type clear command. Just type date command. All are working perfect. So it's also working network commands. So it's all working. History command. So all commands are working. So just close it. So once open file system. So it's completely looks like Kali Linux system. So home, all are working. Just go back to web browser. Just open web browser. So it's open Mozilla Firefox. So yes, it's working perfectly fine. Internet connection. Yes. So that's it, friends. All are working perfectly fine. That's it friends, all are working perfectly fine. So for more updates, subscribe my channel. So that's it friends, all are working perfectly fine. For more updates, subscribe my channel.